Hey, you may be the one I looked for. Are you Master Sen? Everyone called me Master Sen in this valley. I haven't seen you before. Where did you come from? Master Sen, I am Samir. I'm a newcomer. I want to know about this village. Okay. Great. What do you want to know about this village? Master Sen, I want to know whether this village is good or bad. How was your old village, Mr. Samir? Was it a good one? Did you mean my last home? Of course, yes. It's not a good village at all. Thieves, murders, and violence are everywhere. That's not a place to live. It is just like a hell. Here also the same. No difference. Hell no. What a waste of my money. Give me something to drink. Okay, Mr. Samir. Have a seat there.
Master Senator, I'm pleased to meet you here. I came here from several miles away.
Why do you come here, child?
I came here for an apartment, Master. I need to know some information from you.
What do you want to know, child?
Master, is this a good village to live?
How was your previous village?
It was a very nice and calm place. Those people were good and generous. I love that place.
This village is also like that. You can live peacefully. What did you say? Are you kidding me, Master Sen? You told me that this village is not so good. But for this lad, you told, this village is very good. Why did you give such two different answers for the same question? Look, child. There are no completely good or completely bad people in this world. Everyone has both good and bad habits. We have to interact with all of them. We need to see the good in everyone, though they have some mistakes. Okay. We will say that's correct. What's your point? We should do good to the world. If we see good in others, good will return to us.
That's a true master. If we see others in a bad way, the same will return to us. Isn't it, Master Sen?
Exactly. Master Sen, please forgive me for my arrogance. I understood what you tried to explain to us. I will be nice to these people. It's okay, child. That's how you correct your mistakes. I'm sure you both will gain a lot of memories from this beautiful valley. Thank you, Master Sen.
Thank you, Master Sen.
Best of luck, my dear children. Have a nice day.